Hey, good afternoon, Bob. Trade Genius Friday. I don't normally do one, but what a day. As I pointed out before, is that in our channel here, when something breaks out of a channel and comes back in, it's good to short. And so we bought SH, we had SPY puts, we had IWM puts, which we closed earlier this week, and now we have this massive sell-off, and it did take a genius to figure out. It did take a genius to figure out that with this release of the memo, that's going to be a problematic for the market, and so it was just a nice excuse. And so now we got a big sell-off here. And if you notice, I mean, every asset class is pretty much down. You got oil, okay. You have gold, okay. You have miners, okay. You have biotech, and then, but what's up is we have calling for reversal in UNG, okay, and that's happening, and then of course. I'll show you this first because it sets the stage. I've been talking about the dollar and Bitcoin, and so later we hit the bottom of this channel. I knew we were close. They puked it out overnight, and then strong bounce off that low here, big hammer, okay, and I expect now we should get at least a retracement back up to this line here. Or maybe just to here. We'll see how it goes. But as long as that dollar continues to strengthen, you're going to see strength in the cryptocurrencies. And the funny thing about it is, you know, when the shit hit the fan bought crypto. So just keep that in mind here, is that, you know, when they're selling the dollar off, it was strengthening the Asian currencies and just causing incredible grief. And then if you look at it, I'll go here to daily here too. You notice right here, you know, we on the 18th it started to sell down. Something else happened. So the futures was excused, but FXE, the European currency pair started taking off then too. So it was only the dollar that was in free fall, and so it puts pressure on all these assets that are denominated in a currency that's going up, and the cryptocurrencies couldn't get out of its way, and then they just pounded on it with the news, and so now I'm looking for the dollar to retrace, and I think you'll see some strength in the cryptos, and you know, we'll just take it a day at a time, but you know, it's beautiful trades. For us, you know, and good thing I was awake for the reversal because this nice pounding here, and so I caught Litecoin on this hammer here, and I caught Ripple on the hammer too, and whoops, do it this way, and I caught Ripple on this hammer too, and then I rode it up to here, out, and looking for a re-entry, and I'm out of Litecoin too, and but I'm still in my, for just my hold, I'm still sitting in the Ethereum BTC, and just gonna stay with that for a bit. I may roll out of it here pretty soon. As soon as I get a buy signal on Bitcoin, I'll roll out of my ETH BTC and just ride Bitcoin, and then transfer back when I need to. But I thought you'd find that interesting, is that that, you know, Bitcoin was a place people ran to. I mean, they were selling everything off this morning. You know, like, where are people going to hide? And as soon as 4:30 came and the Americans came into the room, they popped the dollar, and they popped the cryptos. So anyway, you guys have a great weekend. If you guys are subscribers, just request the access to the signal if you bought the winter specials, or you were a customer before January 30th for cryptos. and make sure you have access, because this is a great tool. Overnight to me is later morning in the East Coast, and you could have been sitting there just waiting to pounce those trades, and the signals help. So go get them and enjoy them, and make money. And even if these cryptos stay crazy for a couple weeks or a couple months, there's 5 to 10% moves in here all day long. You just need to trade them and bring your cost average down, and then when we start trending again, it's going to be great. Anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Have a good weekend. I'll do some more videos this weekend. Bye bye.